tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix reference memory at 0x0000000. The memory could not be read error on your Windows 10, 11 or 7 or 8 in any Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with the memory could not be read error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open the command prompt. For that, you just need to click on start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on this to allow. After that, you need to type sfc /scan now. Then hit enter. Then you have to wait for some time to complete this process. It will take some time. After completion of this, you have to restart the PC. After completion of the restart, again you have to open the command prompt, click on start menu, then type here cmd again. Right click on this, then click on run as administrator. Click on this to allow. Here you have to type this command dism online cleanup -image restore health. You have to type this command. After typing this command, just hit enter. After completion of this, then close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix reference memory error 0x000000. The memory could not be read. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.